On tonight's menu, we're gonna do some cilantro and lime rice with some shrimp, and we're also gonna have some corn on the side. So here we cleaned up our shrimp and we're gonna season it with some blackened seasoning. A little bit of avocado oil. No butter. Okay, and these are ready, so we're gonna pull these off. Do a little bit of lime. Turn. We're gonna clean up the black stone before we eat. Okay, so we have our shrimp. Our corn is done, and then our rice is almost done as well. And that is dinner.